This is it. I'm on my way.
24 hours English challenge. So, as you can see, our room is refrigerator because we are freezing. But the ice cream is here. It's only 3 ingredients.
So sis, it's yummy. We're going to dance. Yummy!
Ain't on the side, you're number one.
I don't know what to do, but what is English
No.
in
There is a question.
international? It's keep saying.
Please guys cooperate what to do because it's very important so that we can stop this pandemic happening right now. The next question. If you have a nickname, what is it? Mine is Pretty Girl. What? Pretty Girl. Because once you would call me, you say, Pretty Girl, come here. Oh, my heart will go. Now we're going to
Ten. There's no sense at all. Okay,
the formation.
the formation. So now we're going to play. What do you call that?
Who's more likely to
Who's more likely to?
What? And we'll point out that person.
Find out.
Who is most likely to be rich? To be rich.
Wait, me. And so you.
Oh my god, thank you.
Next.
Who is most likely to watch romantic movies? Romantic? I think it's you because you
K-drama.
watch K-drama.
Okay.
Oh.
Oops.
Okay. Next.
Who is likely to be best in English?
No.
Best in English.
Nope.
Wait, no.
Best in
It's in the
English.
vlog. Her favorite subject is English.
Yeah.
That was before. That was before.
So it is English. It is English.
Okay, next.
I'm so tall. Oh my god.
Okay.
Who is most likely to hold their breath the longest as it possible? Let's try it. Breathe.
Really,
I
nigga?
can't breathe.
Let's try it. Okay, let's try it.
Who?
Let's try it if who's like long to
Happy
breathe.
birthday. I don't.
1, 3, go. Ah.
I'm gonna go. Yes.
I cannot breathe, of course. So who is most likely to do weird things in public? Weird things? Yeah.
Huh?
It's me.
I
What?
weird thing. I thought
Weird?
word things.
And it's long.
I think
You're
it's
tall.
you.
Next.
Who is most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their secret crush, known crush? It's me.
It's you.
You.
Who is most likely to punch a wall?
I don't want to.
Because you're tall.
I gotta punch the wall. It's so very.
Me too.
It's bleeding.
I'm very girly. Who is most likely to become a multi-millionaire? God.
Why it's
Ikat
always,
na lang na. Ikat,
why
kat,
it's
to, kat, to.
always me?
Really, nigga?
Kat.
Mag-ana, punta ka na mag-ana na punta, mag-ana na punta.
So we're
What?
finding another angle. That.
Who is most likely to have 2 girlfriends or boyfriends at one time? No.
I can see you, LOUR. I can see you.
Who is most likely to become a famous actress or actor?
Really, nigga?
You eat my tooth. My tooth. My fingernails.
Okay, next.
Who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
You. It's so funny, guys.
Yes, guys.
At
pure.
all times.
Yes. What's in my phone?
Who is most likely not to take a shower for a week?
I not take a shower. It's you.
No, it's you, Popo.
No, it's you because you said in our GC like if there's no vlog, he don't want he don't take bath.
We're going to have what's inside on our phone.
What's in on our phone.
I
Okay.
watching.
Who starts first?
Shane Rick because you're
Shane.
center.
Okay. So guys, my phone is iPhone 5S, and to surprise you all,
Y'all.
it cracked.
I'm sick.
Yes, I'm so clumsy because I like this one, and
What?
I just kinda like cheating like that accidentally, and then it land on a stone land. So that's why. So yes, this. Okay. So first, this is my lock screen wallpaper. Okay, wait. So, freak. So I think it is on. What do you call this one?
Lock screen.
No, the thing.
Screen.
No, this one.
Notification.
No,
What?
the thing in a carnival.
Kuan, free wall. Ay, free wall.
No.
Free wheel. Ay,
Oh.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. Okay.
Wait.
So it's currently 1:48 in the afternoon. May 1:59. Guys, LOUR is cheating because he delete photos.
No, I didn't.
That's wrong.
No, I didn't. Yo. I'll
Okay.
just leave my phone there.
You already deleted some photos. So I'm gonna open my phone. And this is the password. Charot. Okay, so this is my wallpaper. And NASA, charlang NASA states I need my space
So you need some space. Why?
Why?
because I
Do you
want.
have a relationship?
No, I don't know. I'm just an introvert person.
No, you're not.
I'm shy. Okay, so starting off at this one, this is Instagram and Wattpad because I read Wattpad in Sicily.
What's color?
Orange. What color?
Red.
What color it?
You didn't get it.
Okay, so I have some group here, and the name of the name of the group
My
is-
group.
my group is all the possessive boys because I really love possessive. So first, the blue one is Calix, the gray one is Phoenix, the green one is Titus, the black one is Evran, and the white one is Night, and the yellow one is Kali. You know of them guys, right? So where do you want to go?
Photos.
Okay. In my photo.
Oh my god.
No, I don't
So
have.
revealing.
I don't have something here. In my photos, I have 1,959 pictures. So this is just a picture. Like, oh my god, oh my god. I hope Gigi Good, you will gonna notice me because I really love you the most. And the Nikki doll. Oh my god, I love you, Nikki
Drag
doll.
queens.
Yes, drag queen, RuPaul's Drag Race. So yeah, there's nothing. Oopsie. There is nothing wrong in my photos. Kuya LOUR.
So this is the physical appearance of my phone. It's an Oppo A3s model. So in my case, it's Padayon Future Abogado. Since I want to be a lawyer someday.
Oh, so by the way, congrats to all the
Passers.
passers
Yes,
of the bar
yes.
exam. Congrats everyone. Congratulations. Charot.
So this is my lock screen. It's credits to MARJ for editing this. It's very nice.
Bakit kiko?
Then going to open this. So my wallpaper is Bright Twin from Together series.
Together the series. Dragon to
I use something. Oh my god. So my apps are so not arranged. First one is my social media apps. Not all. And my Shopee
Sana.
and Lazada, not sponsored. So what do you want me to?
Photos.
Oh, the photos.
Yeah, you deleted. I saw you.
So the photos
why I'm
are
doing-
here. So 1,747 photos and 39 videos. So as you can see, there is no malice. There is no something in my photos.
Eh, what's that?
What?
I see someone.
Someone?
Someone.
It's our.
Yeah, it's our trouble bag.
So this is Shane.
Yes, that
This is Marge, and this is me.
Lord.
Oh my God, my beautiful
Model.
picture. So it's a throwback photos.
Hi, no.
So
Oh.
so this is Shane, this is Marge, and this is me. The yellow, pink hair. The yellow
Yellow
wig.
pink.
And our producer is here. Where's our producer?
clean their vehicle.
Our first ever dance competition.
Yeah.
So this is me. Shane is not included in the
Yes, because I'm shy at
I'm-
first.
I think
Marge, but Shane is here.
cute, patuti.
The three of us in our Flores de Mayo.
I look so tummy there.
So this is Marge, this is Shane, and this is me, the very girl.
You go, girl.
That's this.
Uy.
Oh, our producer. The producer. This is Marge and me. Marge and I'm just here on the side eating.
Yui.
So this is
I
Shane, this
see.
is the producer, and this is Marge. Do you remember this, Marge?
Pizza up in the internet cafe.
So much from that. For that,
What?
oh, it's all my love of my life.
Love of my life,
You are the one.
forgive me. Okay, next one.
So that's it.
So mine is Huawei ano siya? Y6 Pro. So Huawei. So I have here my lock screen. It's white because I like white. But I like
Green.
green the most. So this is my phone case. Sharing here, you're my friend.
I forgot my phone case.
So this is my I love minimalistic. Yes, it's cross. So my password is L. So you try to open it. I don't have any secrets. I have social media accounts: Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, and I also have Pics art. I already deleted it, but there are people who message me, edit Marge. So I'm not that KJ.
That's
So
what Tulu effects.
yes, so yes, I install it right away. And next is Webtoon. Yay! Shout out to all who read, who those. Yes, that's it. And share it and Lightroom. I really love Lightroom. Classroom. Classroom. Bus. It's up. And WPS and Mobile Legend. Woo! So I don't want to open any of my
Oh,
What?
yours.
I don't have. So I have 3,650.
What's that?
I don't know. There's nothing important here. It's just me, myself, and
What?
I.
Wait, I see something.
It's my what? It's Tishara. Shout out to Tishara. So yeah, it's all about my life. Yay! Nothing more, nothing less.
Sure. If I will give
Ay, yes.
the best picture and
the
the
best.
beach and like that,
Yes, sige.
and we'll pick.
You.
Okay, go. Best picture in the beach.
Two, one, go. Oh!
Best picture you picture.
Your picture?
The best photo you picture.
You captured.
You captured. 1,
2, 3, go!
Wait.
Student, shout out to Karen Daligdig!
Here na lang.
Am I the only one who...
What's the...
It's a street.
Can I see?
You're laughing at my...
Okay.
Next picture. Your favorite picture of yours.
Favorite picture of your face? Of your face? Of yours?
I waki yes.
I wacky yes. 3, 2,
2,
1, go!
Oh my god.
Yo, Sherik's so cute.
I'm so
Man
cute.
is so pangit. Talaga.
Zoom in.
We will gonna try to imitate.
Okay, what else activities? It's happy na 3.
Another activity.
So we're going to sing since we all know.
30 seconds.
We're going to go outside. It's Suka. No.
Oh my god.
We're going to go to here. So here, we're going to go inside. Our editor is... Hi guys, so this... so the time is... Let's check the time. 4:37 p.m. So we're having English.
This billboard is made by my cousin.
We are currently at the outside world.
But actually, because there are different flavors up there.
Good morning to all the Kazans.
Good morning, cousins. Bye for now because we are going to eat our breakfast. Bye bye.
See you later.